We're here with the #1
Yeah.
winner of the ERT Miami Challenge. How many clients did you sign?
Signed 7 the month of October.
And you said you just signed a client yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah. I mean, we were literally riding in the Porsche, and we were coming back from Publix. Got straight back, hopped on the call. As we were talking to her, I just hit her with a simple question. I was like, look, in the past, you guys were working with this agency, right? I'm not going to name any names, but you guys were working with this agency, and then, you know, next thing you know, you guys had spent all this money. You didn't get any return, right?
How much close for?
So we closed them for $2K. $2K full retainer, and then 2 months later, here we are on a freaking yacht in Miami with Brett Scales, bro. Like,